Today, magluluto tayo ng pancit lome made with egg noodles, chicken, and vegetables. While may mga versions na overloaded sa sahog at toppings, itong ating recipe ay simple lang at perfect na pang araw-araw ulam or merienda. Prituhin ang chicken liver hanggang lightly brown but not fully cooked. Make sure mainit ang oil at pabayaan ang atay na mag-sear bago galawin para hindi manikit at madurog. Saute onions and garlic until translucent and aromatic. Add ang boneless chicken breast or thigh meat na hiniwa ng maninipis at lutuin until mag-change ng color. Pwede ka rin gumamit ng pork, shrimp, or crab meat. Timplahan ng manok ng soy sauce at pepper. Add water and simmer until the chicken is cooked. Ilagay ang gulay at lutuin until half-cooked at malutong pa. Gusto ko ang carrots at sayote pero masarap rin ang green beans or celery sa pancit lome.
Alisin ang mga bula para malinis ang sabaw.
Ilagay ang noodles at gently stir with tongs to loosen. Ibalik ang atay at simmer until maluto. Huwag pabayaang ma-overcook para hindi maging tough. Ilagay ang napa cabbage at continue to simmer until vegetables are tender crisp and the noodles are cooked. Ang special ingredient ko para madaling mapalapot at mapalasa ang pancit lome ay chicken and corn soup mix. Pwede rin ang crab and corn soup mix if you want a bit of seafood flavor. Combine lang with water until well blended and pour sa pot. No need na gumamit ng cornstarch as the soup mix will thicken the broth. Slowly add the beaten eggs at allow to set ng bahagya before stirring. Adjust ang timpla with salt and pepper according sa iyong panlasa. Pancit lome is hearty and comforting, especially sa maulan or malamig na panahon. It's delicious on its own or paired with pandesal, siopaw, or steamed rice. Enjoy!
Init.